Imagine never having to worry about your fitness again. What if I told you there's one exercise that can keep you in shape for life? Whether you're busy, bored with your routine, or just looking for that magic bullet, this exercise is your secret weapon to staying fit no matter what. And the best part? You can start right now, with no equipment and no excuses. Stick around, because this video is going to change the way you think about fitness forever. The exercise that will always keep you fit is burpee. That's right, the burpee. Before you groan or roll your eyes, let me tell you why this classic move is a game changer. The burpee combines a squat, push-up, and jump into one fluid motion, making it a powerhouse of a move that targets every part of your body. It increases your heart rate, strengthens your core, tones your muscles, and improves endurance. Plus, it's incredibly efficient. Just a few minutes of burpees can equal a longer workout with other exercises. Why this exercise? Let's be real, most of us struggle to stick to a workout routine. Life gets in the way, motivation dips, and suddenly, those gym sessions become a distant memory. But this exercise, it's different. It's simple, effective, and adaptable to any fitness level. You can do it anywhere, anytime, and it's guaranteed to keep you fit. No matter how busy or tired you are, this exercise fits into your life seamlessly. The science behind it now, you might be wondering, what makes this exercise so special? The answer lies in its ability to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, boosting your metabolism, improving your cardiovascular health, and building strength all at once. It's like a full-body workout rolled into one move, designed to burn calories and keep your body functioning at its best. How to do it right? To get the most out of this exercise, form is key. Here's a quick breakdown. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat and place your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Perform a push-up. Jump your feet back towards your hands. Explode into a jump with your arms raised overhead. Repeat this sequence for a set number of reps or as a timed interval. Start slow, and as you get stronger, you can increase the intensity. The benefits. You'll notice. Within just a few weeks, you'll start to see the benefits. Better stamina, a leaner physique, and a boost in energy levels. The burpee is not just an exercise. It's a fitness solution that grows with you, challenging you every time you do it. How to incorporate it into your routine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the burpee can be tailored to your needs. Start with just a few reps and gradually increase as you build strength. You can use it as a warm-up, part of a circuit, or a standalone workout on those days when you're short on time. Now that you've unlocked the secret to staying fit for life, it's time to put it into action. Start adding burpees to your daily routine and watch your body transform. If you're serious about staying fit, this is one exercise you can't miss. So why wait? Drop down and give me 10 right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy fitness tips. Stay fit, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.